Hello guys, welcome back to IT Skills Hub channel. So we were discussing about the activity about the configuring and managing Entra joins. So now I will move to our next exercise, that is configuring Entra hybrid join. Okay, so the scenario is configure some contours of Windows devices are currently joined to a local Active Directory domain services (EDDS). To enable those devices to seamlessly access cloud services, you plan to enable enter the hybrid join. So in this case, we'll enable on-premises as well as the cloud, that is the hybrid, enter the hybrid join. You will test enter hybrid join by reconfiguring enter connect sync and testing out the process on client machine 2. Okay. So the server one, I'm already here and I'll just need to go to Windows Administrative Tools and go to this Active Directory users and computers. So it looks like this. Here I'll just need to create a new organization unit. So I'll just right click on my domain, click on new OU, and I'll just write Entra ID clients. Okay, so I had just already created it. As you can see, this one Entra ID clients. This is just a new organizational unit I have created, and that later I'll need to move on to the this folder Seattle clients. Click on the CL2 machine. Click on move, and this needs to be moved to our newly created folder, which is this. So yeah, this is about this. I can verify. So now you can see the client 2 machine is already there. I can close it now. And now I'll need to enter to the task 2. Configure Entra hybrid join in Entra Connect sync. For that, I'll need to just quickly open that Azure AD Connect. Click on configure. And on the additional task, select and configure device options. Configure device options. Next. On the overview page, click on next. Then connect to Microsoft Entra ID. Again, I'll just need to authenticate with my tenant. Quickly provide the password. And once it is done, select the tenant admin account and then okay, this is already done. On the device options page, click on configure hybrid Microsoft Entra. So this is already selected. Click on next. This is how we are going to configure the hybrid environment. And devices operating system, Windows 10 or later domain join the devices. I'll check that. Then click on next. On the SCP configuration. So what is this SCP? The service connection point is used by your devices to discover your Microsoft Entra ID tenant information. If your devices are in a different forest, each forest needs an SCP. Microsoft Entra Connect can configure the SCP for you and also provide a script for you to configure the SCP. So for this one, I'll select that. Check that contoso.com and authentication will be Entra. And then let's click add. It is asking for the authentication. Let's provide the enterprise admin credential, which we created earlier if you can remember. Write the password. Yes, so this is done. Then click on next. They're ready to configure. I'll just hit configure. When the configuration is complete, let's exit that and switch to our client 2 machine. So this is the client 2 loading. Let me quickly sign in to here. Oops, I think I missed something. For before doing that, I'll just need to restart it real quick. Restarting CL2 will enable quicker discovery of SCP created by reconfiguring and the connecting. So the discovery process, it is to speed up the discovery process of the SCP, which we just did, service connection point. And after once it's rebooted, we'll need to log in with our administrator account, Contoso administrator, and then the password. So the Hyper-V virtualization VM is loading. Okay, and then I'll just go to this Contoso administrator password. This is done, and yeah, next activity task 3 will continue in our next video because I don't want to extend the video for too long. See you in the next one.